The day is here. Tessa, the blue two-door Escort, is in the booth, paint on, and you know, it was such a clean car already. The body work that needed to be done to it was really minimal, just cutting out a tiny little bit of rust out of the rear window seals, and seeing it in fresh paint on this metal is just really something special. It's great to see it come back to its original color and original glory. All the clips and everything is still there like original, so seeing it in the paint is really something special. British car, and with the quality of the paint, it's important to be just like the British cricket team as well. No runs, and this thing has 0 runs on it, which is great to see. So yeah, now sand it back. So they're going to bake it in the IR lights tonight, which is an important step. All too often in Thailand, roadside resprays, all the moisture gets into it, cracks and pulls off the body. You see it all the time. Cars with otherwise nice paint with big bits falling off it. Baking it in a proper booth with the IR lights should cut that right out, and then they're actually going to sand it back and polish it, which is another step that you don't always get from body shops. So this thing should be looking absolutely special when it's done. So very excited. Should be a good one, guys.